Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And recently, I just got back from the Meet Me in St. Louis doll show, where we had a meet and greet for several YouTube channel owners, dolly peoples, and I got some gifts, and I was going to show them this week. And this one is from Dorie's Dollies. If you don't know about Dorie's channel, I will leave a link below. You're missing out. Dorie has about, every doll you can imagine. She has the most beautiful dolls, the most collectible dolls. If you have a Grail doll, she probably has it. But Dorie brought this gift for me, and I'm just thrilled. She said she has a little, she told me the name of it. Japanese store near her house, and bought this doll for me and this little outfit. And I thought we'd dress her while we talked about how much fun Dorie is. Oh my. And we got to meet her husband, and Darren and her husband, Andrew, sat and talked forever and enjoyed one another's company, and we're hoping to meet up with them again. They are the nicest people. I can't believe she brought me this. How kind. Dorie's channel, I always look forward to Dorie's. How is this on here? Am I going to need... No, I don't need scissors. Okay. Ooh, what a cute dress. It's kind of like a little princess dress. And it's got a back and everything. Boy, this is made pretty nicely. All in all, this is, there was a lot of work that went into that. I like the bow. It's got a little heart-shaped gemstone. Really cute. Let's slip this on her and put some shoes on her. I don't want that to go anywhere because it's hers. Anyway, I started to say Dorie's channel is a lot of fun. Dorie is a riot. I mean, life of the party. She just, she is fun, she is funny, and if you have a doll question, she has the answer. If you go to her channel and leave a question in her comments, I can about guarantee you she will either know the answer, which I'm betting, or will find the answer to it. She has been collecting dolls forever. I mean, she's incredible. The knowledge and the dolls that she has. I just enjoy her company. Tell you what, if I didn't have dolls, I'd still like Dorie. That's how fun she is. Well, this is just an adorable little doll, and it's going to look so cute on my doll shelf. I'm going to have Darren make this girl a little stand and get her upstairs. Go take a look at Dorie's channel, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.